Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Steph. It's day 11 of our 21 days to a clean home challenge, and we are in my personal all-time favorite day of the challenge. It's decluttering day. So for the next 10 days, we are going to start the timer, use whatever you have, 5, 10, 15 minutes, and tackle 10 different areas in your house that are just driving you crazy with clutter. And before I moved into this house, I felt like I was pretty decluttered, but that all changes when you move into a house that's a lot smaller and has a lot less storage. So I feel like I'm kind of starting from the beginning again, and I need to declutter my stuff. And the first thing I need to go through is my closet. If you ever saw my channel before, I had this huge monster walk-in closet. I pretty much could have had as many clothes as I wanted. It was very fancy. And now I have a nice walk-in closet, but it's a lot smaller, and I'm finding that I really just don't have enough room for all my stuff. But that's okay, because I probably don't need all the stuff that I have. So today, I'm gonna take 15 minutes to quickly go through my closet, pick out the stuff that I really haven't been wearing, and send it off to the thrift store. I encourage you to do the same. If you're having trouble letting go of things, start somewhere where you don't feel sentimental, like your junk drawer, or maybe a pantry cupboard, or somewhere that you think there might be a lot of garbage or things you can get rid of really easily. I like starting with things that are like easy to make decisions about. So I'm gonna start today in my closet. I'm gonna write down 10 places that I'm gonna work on for the next 10 days, the rest of the challenge. And then from there, you can work it into your daily routines as an everyday thing or maybe a once a week thing. I mean, decluttering is kind of a never-ending story, isn't it? All right, let's get going. Okay, so I got rid of a ton of stuff. I have a huge pile of hangers here. And so I'm gonna do a little trick that I learned. I'm gonna turn all the hangers backwards, and then as I wear things, I'll put them back on forwards, and then maybe in like 5 or 6 months, I can assess what I've worn and what I haven't. Because if it hasn't been worn in 6 months, am I ever gonna wear it? Probably not. So I'm gonna try that. I think it's a really good idea. I'm not gonna do pants right now because, well, I'm running out of time, so maybe I'll tackle that tomorrow. So that only took me like 5 or 6 minutes. I'm pretty fast about decluttering now because I've had practice, but set your timer for 10 minutes, do what you can, and stop. This is one place where you can get totally down the rabbit hole and keep going drawer to drawer to drawer. So just focus on one place, one drawer, one area, one spot. Do what you can in 10 minutes and stop and pick it up tomorrow. Okay, that's it for day number 11. I'm so excited for you to get started decluttering. This is gonna make the hugest difference in the amount you have to clean because, hey, you can't clean clutter. All right, I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye. If you want to dive deeper into this challenge, head to my website, www.thesecretslob.com, and pick up the 21 Days to a Clean Home workbook. It breaks down the challenge day by day and helps guide you as you set up systems that work for you.